Hello, how you doing? Today I'm gonna show you how to write Korean cursive with mechanical pencil. First letter is Han. I like to write and Nian connected like that. This, by the way, Korean calligraphy supposed to write with a brush, but I'm doing with the mechanical pencil. People really like it, and also it's a little bit difficult to write cursive with a mechanical pencil. First letter is Hangul, Korean, Hangul. And next word is, so I'm using a mechanical pencil like a brush. First letter is Sa, and second letter is Rang. Maybe you guys can guess the word, and I'm sure you already know the word and meaning. 사랑해 means I love you. Next one is, this is Chiut and O and Jo. This is Jo. Ah. Hey. You know, 좋아해 is same pronunciation as Joe. It's a little bit difficult for foreigner to learn, but it's the pronunciation is 좋아해, not 좋아해, but 좋아해. Next one is 목, 요, 일. 목요일 is Thursday. Today is Korea. It's Thursday. Next one is this letter is 월. Next one is 드, cup, World Cup. We're playing against Portugal tomorrow. Next one is 말. It's a tricky word, right? But it's the same pronunciation as 말, horse. 맑음 is when you talk about the weather, it's a clear, fine weather, you say 맑음. Next one is 글씨. 글씨 means font or handwriting. Well, to be clear, handwriting is 손글씨. 손 means hand. Next one is Zico. Zico is a Korean rapper and singer. And he has a new hit called Sepping. And also he's famous for his song 아무 노래. Next one is New Jeans. It's a new sensation. Attention is really good song. 잘 리 Rosalia. If you like Latin pop, then you know Rosalia. You know who Rosalia is. Maybe she won the Latin Grammy Award recently. 나오고. I'm not sure why I wrote 나오고, but I think one of the Rosalia songs, she sings 나오고, like 나오고, 나오고. I'm not sure. I have no idea why I wrote that. It's a Japanese name, I'm sure. 1번 means Japan. Japan. And another Asian country is 중국. Jungkook is China. You know, proper nouns are very difficult, especially country names, because every country has different pronunciation, so you have to memorize it. Ak means music. Without music, life is a mistake. Nietzsche said. Kaul means autumn, fall. We have a really warm autumn in Korea, but right now it's really cold. It got cold really suddenly. 겨울 means winter. Next one is 흘. Lim. che. By the way, there are two types of cursive. In Korean, it's 흘림체 and 궁서체. What I write is, I guess, mixture of 흘림체 and 궁서체. Next one is 궁서체. It's both cursive, but 흘림체 is more connected, and it's more like Korean lettering tattoo style. 궁서체. Last one is dancing. I was listening to Fred again, one of my favorite DJ